In today's video, I'm going to teach you 5 best ChatGPT prompts for SEO. If you want to save time, improve your rankings, and make your content strategy more effective, these prompts can help you get much more value from ChatGPT. The key is not just asking for SEO help, but asking in a clear, targeted way so the output is actually useful. Let's start with a keyword research prompt. This is one of the best ways to discover high-value keywords, long-tail variations, and related topic ideas for your niche. A good prompt helps ChatGPT generate a wide range of keyword opportunities that can support your content strategy. For example, you could ask it to generate 50 SEO keywords and long-tail keyword ideas for a website about digital marketing. This is useful when you want to identify terms with ranking potential and build content around topics your audience is already searching for. As you review the results, pay attention to specific search phrases because long-tail keywords often have lower competition and stronger intent. Next, use an SEO blog outline prompt. This helps you create a structured, search-friendly article before you start writing. Instead of staring at a blank page, you can ask ChatGPT to build a detailed outline around your target keyword. For example, you might ask it to create an SEO-optimized blog outline for the keyword Best AI Tools for Business. This can help organize your article with logical sections, relevant subheadings, and natural keyword opportunities. It also improves readability, which is important for both users and search engines. Another powerful option is the meta title and description prompt. This is especially helpful if you want more clicks from search results. You can ask ChatGPT to write 10 SEO-friendly meta titles and meta descriptions for a blog about remote work productivity. By generating multiple versions, you give yourself options to test different angles, tones, and keyword placements. The goal here is to improve visibility and click-through rate while still matching search intent. You can also use a content optimization prompt to improve articles you've already published. This is great for refreshing older content instead of always creating new posts from scratch. For example, ask ChatGPT to analyze this article and suggest SEO improvements, keyword additions, and content gaps. This can help you identify missing semantic keywords, improve readability, and strengthen weak sections so the page has a better chance of ranking. Finally, there's the competitor analysis prompt. This helps you understand what top-ranking content is doing well and where you can do better. You could ask ChatGPT to analyze the top-ranking pages for email marketing tips and suggest ways to create a better article. This makes it easier to spot content gaps, find opportunities to stand out, and build a smarter SEO strategy using ChatGPT. These 5 prompts can dramatically speed up your SEO workflow and help you create content with more purpose and direction.